How to check my mail have been read or not from mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever sent an important email and wonder if the recipient has read it yet? In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your email has been read right away from your mobile device. It's simple, fast and works perfectly with Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Play Store on your mobile device and in the search bar, type Mail Tracker for Gmail and simply install this app. This app is verified and reliable tool for tracking email activity. And once the installation is complete, open the app and log in with the Gmail account you want to track. Don't worry, the app is secure and uses Google verified login system. And after logging in, you will see your sent emails listed in the apps. Tap on the email you want to track and the app will show you detailed tracking information such as whether the email has been read or not. If it hasn't been opened yet, it will display something like sent not read yet. And when the recipient reads your email, the tracking status will update to read along with the date and time it was opened. This feature is super helpful for following up on important communications. And that's it. With the help of Mail Tracker for Gmail app, you can easily check if your email has been read all from your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.